Welcome back! With the holiday season right around the corner, it's time for those perfect last-minute EDC gift ideas. And that's why I've collected a lineup of 8 must-have EDC items that are not only great presents, but they're also incredible practical. So let's get started. And first up we have the mini notebook. A compact notebook is a perfect everyday carry to write down any ideas, sketches or crucial information on the go. Whether it's for work, school or just personal thoughts, the mini notebook is a sleek addition to anyone's EDC. On top, it's also a perfect opportunity to take a break from the constant screen time. So if you're planning to do a detox, these are absolutely worth it. And another quick tip here, if you want to go one step further, you can also buy a nice pencil to create the perfect gift combo. So definitely check them out. Next on my list is one of my top purchases for my EDC in this year, the Walnut smartphone case. Not only does it provide an excellent protection for your phone, its stylish walnut finish also adds a touch of elegance to it. It's basically a perfect blend of form and function, making it a standout gift for anyone who wants to protect their device. And yes, this one is super durable. For sure it's not a slim case, it's a bumper case, but for me it's the perfect all-in-one solution to protect my iPhone. And since we already started to talk about Walnut, let's check out the Walnut AirPods case as well. I've bought this one in combination with my iPhone case because yeah, it's the perfect combo. At the end of the day, it's a small but impactful accessory that adds a touch of luxury to your everyday carry. Not only does it protect your AirPods, but it also ensures that you stand out from the crowd with its unique and eye-catching design. They are both from a brand called Woodcessories, and no, this is not sponsored. I've bought these cases for my EDC, but yeah, I really like their products, so definitely check them out. Next up, let's talk about the wallet, and a good wallet is an EDC essential and also a perfect gift idea. A sleek minimalistic design ensures it doesn't add unnecessary bulk to your pockets, making it a practical and stylish choice. I actually bought a more darker wallet that got this used vibe as well, because it's a perfect option for my personal EDC. Next, let's talk about one gadget that is one of the best gadgets for these darker winter days. And here we need to talk about a reliable flashlight. I can highly recommend to check out a compact and powerful flashlight like this one here, which is perfect for any situation. Whether you find yourself in a power outage or just need to find something in the dark, this flashlight is a game changer. And yes, trust me, it's a gift that will be appreciated more than you know. But of course we need to talk about one of the most common gadgets for every EDC setup, the Multitool, a true EDC hero. This compact gadget combines various functions into one handy tool. From opening bottles to fixing some small issues around the house, a Multitool is a lifesaver. If you don't have something like this one here at home, I can highly recommend them. Like these basic ones and even a little bit more advanced ones, like this Leatherman. Of course, for sure there might be even better versions out there, but I think for the most basic things, they are just perfect. And since we already started to talk about a lot of common items, let's talk about a not common gift idea for EDC setups. A first aid kit. At the end of the day, it's an often overlooked but incredibly important EDC item. A compact first aid kit is packed with essentials for minor injuries that can be a lifesaver in emergencies. For sure, this one is not for a minimalist EDC, but I think it's really useful for your travel EDC or if you always carry a bag. It's small, compact, and it doesn't require a lot of space, and on top it's not that expensive, so investing in a small first aid kit might be a great option. Last but certainly not least, we need to talk about another classic, the power bank. So yeah, in our tech-driven world, staying charged is crucial. A portable power bank ensures your devices are always ready to go. So definitely try to get a power bank with fast charging options, and it should set its focus on capacity. And yes, in my opinion, it's such a great gift idea because it keeps everyone connected and powered up no matter where they are. And I personally use 2 options here, so one power bank and the Apple MagSafe battery pack. I mostly use the MagSafe battery pack for small trips whenever I know that I need to use my phone a lot and it might need to recharge. For longer trips I always pick up my power bank as well, so I can always charge my phone and other devices multiple times. So yeah, there are plenty of options out there that you can choose from. But yeah, these are 8 last minute gift ideas that are really useful. From the practical to stylish, these items are not only functional but also showcase your thoughtfulness as a gift giver. Which one is your favorite? Let me know that in the comments. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.